This is
the welding machine.
I think I got a bump. What's up, everybody? It's the welding machine, guys, coming back with you in another video. Right now we're running it off of the Ranger 10,000. This is not the Plus, it's the regular Ranger 10,000. There you go. It's got, that's what it is, peak. So we got a plug in right here and right here. We got to run it all the way up right here. That's where we're going to plug the welder in. All right, y'all, so right now we're going to hook up the gas to the MIG welder. I quite still don't understand this machine yet, but I'm figuring it out. So that's what I got it set on. I got it set on the high side of it, so it'd be like the blue. Or, yeah, it's on the blue dial, so it's a little bit faster. So we're gonna do a little weld right here. All right, y'all, so I'm still trying to figure it out. That's what we got. The settings, I got it on that. About right there. And then the actual generator, it might be a little hot. Still trying to figure it out, but I got it right here. Trying to figure it out a little bit. This is the first time I'm using this thing, so I still got to understand it, figure it out. But once you get settings right, you should be straight. So y'all stay tuned. It's just a little intro video of the LN25 Lincoln. This is just the beginning video. Just like an introduction to the channel, and we're gonna make some more changes. We're gonna be welding on the building back there with this machine as well. So I don't see a lot of the LN25 videos on the internet, but we're gonna put more on there for y'all because I've been looking around how to set it up and everything, but I haven't found anything. So I'm gonna put that up there for you guys. All right. gonna do a couple more passes on this weld, and then we'll probably call it a day. There you go. There you go. So, not a bad machine. Not a bad machine. I noticed. Hold on, we're gonna zoom out. Not a bad machine. I know when the machine's on idle, it'll spit and sputter until it gets started. Other than that, I like the machine a lot. It runs really great off of the Ranger 10,000. Gonna figure out something on the trailer for it. Probably gonna make a cart that attaches to the trailer and locks into the trailer. But when I go to the field, I can take the cart off and push it around. That way, because it's heavy, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna figure out a way to where it come together and work together and still be covered and stuff, protect from the weather. Great machine. You guys gonna see more of this welder on the channel. So yeah, I mean, ain't nothing to it, man. The generator, Ranger 10,000, and the LN25. This has been the welding machine. You guys have a good one.